Western Mass News is uncovering more about the Amherst woman accused of hitting a stroller with her car in Hadley yesterday afternoon. We've learned she's a professor at UMass Amherst. Good Tuesday evening, everyone. I'm Chris Pisano.
And I'm Jordan Jaglinzer. Tammy Haut Donahue faced a judge this morning where prosecutors say her blood alcohol concentration was more than 3 times the legal limit at the time of the incident. Western Mass News reporter Audrey Russo is live for us in Amherst with those details. Audrey?
The 17-month-old baby was not injured after Haut Donahue's car struck a stroller in the parking lot of the Mountain Farms shopping plaza. Haut Donahue pleaded guilty today and to OUI charges.
She believed that the operator was attempting to park in the spot next to hers, but she was unable to make the turn. She continued towards them, ultimately striking that stroller.
A close call in this Hadley parking lot, where police say they received a 911 call Monday from a woman whose 17-month-old child was in that stroller. The baby was not injured, but police were concerned about the person driving the car. An Amherst woman named Tammy Haut Donahue. At her arraignment in Eastern Hampshire District Court, the prosecuting attorney explained how police say they found Haut Donahue.
They did observe her to be drooped over or slumped over behind the wheel, appearing to be sleeping. They did wake her up. They observed that the car was not in park and still running.
In Massachusetts, the legal limit of blood alcohol concentration is 0.08. A chart put out by the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention doesn't go above 0.15, which is where they say major loss of muscle control, vomiting, and loss of balance can occur. Prosecutors say the results that Haut Donahue blew on a portable breath test was 0.27.
She was extremely unsteady on her feet, unable to stand, nearly falling over.
She's now charged with operating under the influence and negligent operation of a motor vehicle. Western Mass News has learned that Haut Donahue is a professor at UMass Amherst. College officials sent a statement saying, quote, "Our thoughts are with the mother and her child following this very concerning matter." UMass Amherst confirms that Tammy Haut Donahue is a research professor in biomedical engineering. It is our understanding that the case is in the hands of the district attorney's office. Though she was released on her own recognizance and ordered to abstain from alcohol, Haut Donahue will be allowed to travel for pre-scheduled work trips. Outside of those 3 occasions, the judge ordered her to be subject to scram unit testing, which is used to detect alcohol use.
Although Ms. Haut Donahue has no prior record, just given how much more serious this could have been, we do feel that the additional protection of the scram unit is appropriate.
Her next court date is June 8th. Coming up on Western Mass News at 6, the community reacts to this incident. Live in Amherst, Audrey Russo for Western Mass News.